The class. Today we are looking at what we call linear equations in mathematics. A linear equation contains expressions that has only one variable. Then that variable has highest power as 1 and a constant. Any equation that contains a variable that has its highest power as 1 with a constant is what we term a linear equation. But generally, equation shows equality between expressions. If you're talking about equation in general, equation is just showing similarity or equality between expressions. But here, the first equation we're looking at is what we call linear equation. Now, we said a linear equation must contain a variable and constant, while the highest power of that variable must be 1. And if you look at the examples that we are asked to solve, we have variable x only, and the power of that x is 1. 4x plus 12 equals 32. The highest power of that x here is 1. So whenever we see, it could be A, it could be B, we can use any alphabet to denote the variable. What we are just particular about is that the highest power of that variable must be 1. So we have questions here to be solved 1 to 5. Question 1, we have 4x plus 12 equals to 32. We have 4x plus 3 equals to 3x plus 12. We have 2 open bracket x minus 2 equals to 4 open bracket 2x minus 5. We have 2x plus 5 over x equals to 2x all over x minus 3. And the last one, we have 2x minus 1 over 3 minus 3x minus 1 over 4 equals to 2. The idea here is just to find the value of the x, meaning we are to make the x, the unknown, the subject of formula. We want the unknown to stand on its own. So anything disturbing the unknown must be eliminated. We check the first one. We have 12, 32, and 4 that are disturbing the unknown to stand alone. So from here, let's solve the questions. The first one, 4x plus 12 equals to 32. The first thing to eliminate here will be 12. So we have to subtract 12 from both sides. So we'll be having 4x plus 12 minus 12 equals to 32 minus 12. So 12 minus 12 equals to 0. 32 minus 12 will give us 20. So here, we've reduced that expression to 4x equals to 20. But 4 is still disturbing x to stand on its own. Like we said, whenever we ask to solve a linear equation, the motive behind that is just to make the unknown to stand on its own. So to remove that 4 that is affecting the x, we'll divide both sides by 4. So now I have 4x all over 4 equals 20 all over 4. And when we punch our calculator, we have our x to be equals to 5. Question number 3. We have 2 open bracket x minus 2 equals 4 open bracket 2x minus 5. The first thing, we remove the bracket by using the outer part to multiply everything inside the bracket. So 2 times 7 will give us 2x. 2 times minus 2 will give us minus 4 equals 4 times 2x will give us 8x. 4 times minus 5 will give us minus 20. Now, the next thing here is to collect like terms. We have 2x and 8x, they are similar. We have minus 4 and minus 20, they are similar. So we rearrange. If we move 1 from one side, we are going to balance that equation by moving 1 from the other side. Now here, so I'm moving 20 from that side to join this minus 4. So here, when minus 20 crosses the equality sign, it will change to plus 20. Then 2x must go to the other side to balance the equation. So 2x here is positive. When it crosses the equality sign, it turns to negative. So we'll now be having minus 4 plus 20 equals to 8x minus 2x. 8x minus 2x will give us 6x. Minus 4 plus 20 will give us 16. The next thing, 6 is still disturbing x to stand on its own. So we divide both sides by what? By 6. So 6 will cancel, we have 6. 2 in 6, 3. 2 in 16, we have 8. So 8 over 3 equals to x, which is same as saying s equals to 8 over 3, or 2 whole number 2 over 3 when we change that improper fraction to a mixed fraction. Now, the fifth one, we have 2x minus 1 all over 3 minus 3x minus 1 over 4 equals to 1. The first thing here, we have fractions being separated by negative sign. What we're going to do here first is to find the LCM. What is the LCM of 3 and 4? That is 12. The next thing is, how many 3 can we see in 12? That is 4. We now use the 4 to multiply the 2x minus 1. Next one, how many 4 can we see in 12? We have 3. We use the 3 to multiply the 3x minus 1. Everything goes to 1. So when we open the bracket, 4 times 2x will give us 8x. 4 times minus 1 will give us minus 4. Minus 3 times 3x, that is minus 9x. Minus 3 times minus 1, that will give us plus 3. You have to be very careful here. And the next thing, we rearrange 8x minus 9x minus 4 plus 3 all over 12 equals to 1. I didn't do anything there other than rearranging. So next one, 8x minus 9x will give us minus x. Minus 4 plus 3 will give us minus 1. All over 12 equals to 1. The next thing will cross multiply. Minus x minus 1 equals to 1 times 12. And minus x minus 1 will give us 12. Minus 1 minus 12 will give us x. Meaning 12 has to come to that side. It will change its positive sign to negative. So we now have minus 1 minus x equals to 2. Minus 1 minus 12 equals to x. Minus 1 minus 12 will give us minus 13 equals to x. Therefore, our x equals to minus 13. Here, we have two questions to solve here. Please. First one, 2y plus 3 equals to 3x plus 8. So here we are going to find the value of x. The next one, 3 all over a minus 2a all over 1 minus a equals to 2. Here, we have to find the value of a. So here, the question to solve are now 4 in numbers. We have the first one here, second one here. And when you check the first 5 questions, I only solve 1, 3, and 5. So you have 2 and 4 to solve. Coupled with these ones that we have here, so that question to solve will now be 4. So this is the first 2 questions, and these are the next 2 questions. Thank you.